Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com.
Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about and compare the difference between ASPnix Reseller Hosting and ASPnix Affiliation. So to start, let's talk a little bit about potential and expectation. It is entirely possible to monetize your online presence, to create passive income, or if you are so inclined, to create an entire online business using either of these opportunities. Here is my disclaimer though. There isn't a magic bullet or get rich now opportunity involved. If you are looking for that, you won't have a hard time finding that sort of thing elsewhere on YouTube. This is more about how to make money in a legitimate way, and that sometimes means that we have to be patient, work towards our goals, and learn a little sometimes. Now that the disclaimer is out of the way, let's talk about making money. Do you have a YouTube channel, a blog, a website, a podcast, a newsletter, a TV show, a radio show? Maybe you have a popular social media account. If any of those things sound like you, then you probably want to join an affiliate marketing program. An affiliate program is a way to monetize your traffic or even your popularity. This is done by recommending or mentioning products, sharing links or advertisements, and reviewing products and services. If you have an audience that's regularly visiting you, clicking around and interacting with your content, then inevitably someone out there is going to be clicking on the content that you share, and companies all know this. If you make quality content, then this is a really great way to capitalize on your hard work. Now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's talk about how it works. There are several kinds of affiliate programs out there. There is the kind that gets you paid per view of an advertisement, the kind that gets you paid per click on an advertisement, and lastly, the kind that pays you per product sold through your association. The safest ones are the ones that pay per view of an advertisement. That said, those are not very good, and you need a lot of views before that becomes particularly lucrative. Companies pay less for this because they are getting less value from it. The best way to make money at affiliation is to go with the third type that I mentioned. Companies who are willing to share part of their profits, give you a % of their commission, or pay you a cash reward per sale are typically much more legitimate. Just be sure to read the fine print and find one that will work best for you and your followers. Companies that are more legitimate and pay per sale also tend to invest more in your success. They want you to succeed, even invest in helping you to get better at what you do. They will usually provide you with free access to analytics tools. Sometimes they will offer exclusive discounts to help incentivize clicking on your links instead of other links, as well as just providing more options for banners and other kinds of advertisements so that you can improve yourself and in turn also improve your income. The catch is that you need to learn to make interesting content. Join a forum, ask questions, read, and grow as a content creator. If you make great content, people will want to come back. They will want to interact with it, they will share it with others, and others might follow it. Try and get paid for reviewing products you like and can get behind. If you find a product, try and get paid for talking about it. If you don't find a product you love, definitely do not recommend it. Lastly, you're going to find that some industries just pay out better than others. There are various reasons, but some industries are just more competitive, and when you become an affiliate marketer, you will find that one of the very highest paying is in fact online hosting. These brands have become notorious for paying the most to affiliates, being the least stingy with how their payouts occur, and some companies like ASPnix are even praised for being so accommodating in all of the ways that they are willing to pay out. If you have a preference such as PayPal, direct deposit, Facebook, Apple Pay, be sure to consider this when you make your decision. I hope all of that was helpful. Just remember that content is the most important part of affiliate marketing, and you are already off to a great start. This concludes the first half of this video. I'll see you next time.
If you haven't heard of us before, please feel free to take a minute to check us out. There is a link in the description. Those too lazy to click can just type in ASPnix.com.